Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Changing negative stereotypes through innovation and entrepreneurship is the approach administrators of the Spanish Town High School in St. Catherine are taking as they try to rebrand the image of the school and its environs. Kian Morgan tells us more in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
Students of the Spanish Town High School showcasing their talents at the launch of the school's Clubs and Societies Expo recently. Clubs and Societies Coordinator Tavia Beckford says the students and their respective clubs were tasked with creating an innovative product or service that could be branded, marketed, and monetized at the community level. The aim, she says, is for students and teachers to see their fullest potential.
Oftentimes, the talents and abilities of our students and teachers are overlooked based on the societal cracks that exist within the Spanish Town community. And so we want the public to know that we have talented students here, talented teachers here, and we just want them to recognize our worth and what we are capable of.
With the 14 active clubs, students were able to come up with a variety of products and services, some of which are new inventions.
One of our newest design here, which is an LED mirror. It works with a motion detector. So when you step in front of this mirror, you have one LED here and the next one here, it will both light up.
It's an annual event. Principal Damian Lawrence says that this is necessary as everything cannot be taught in the confines of a classroom.
I was a part of the Key Club organization back in high school, and the leader that I am today, I attribute it to my involvement in Key Club. So it's something that is very important to student development.
The students who worked tirelessly were proud and excited.
The experiment that we do, the school would actually need it because we have soaps too. A lot of children like have acne, who can like make the soap, give them and it can fix them. So we have a before and a after.
Parent Jessica Silvera says her daughter's participation in clubs has made her more helpful at home.
Working with her has allowed me really to understand a little bit more about her and her personal life here at school. And a lot of parents, I think, are distant from their children. And I think be a part of school and then you will have that interaction that is necessary for the teenagers.
We just want the support from the parents, from the Ministry of Education, as I said before, from the Spanish Town alumni, for everybody to get involved so we can allow the students to be motivated.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
Ray of Hope.